Am I audible, Anurag? Okay. So that day you done like this full join. So just open your like workbench. What I just use your command that you did. You told me like you did. So let me show how it work. That we need to perform the joins, like one joins of primary key, the foreign key, duration in the important. I ensure that inconsistency and the integer, how is their key and relevance like a primary key is the unique and identify the recordings, which is the table and like our customer, the table information on the customer we have selected an ID, like anything fit there could easily be a primary key and ensure that each customer has their unique identifications in that orders tables and ID number is there. So we can make like as a primary key. It is done once the primary key or foreign key gets there. A table used to reference their customer ID and customer table is their foreign key and ensure that one order is that table associated with the valid customer from the customer table. And the manifest layer we have in the integrity of the data. So the foreign key ensure that everyone must have the belonging valid number of their customer you have cannot insert in the order or the customer that doesn't has it. And customer table that efficiently joined is even more than relevant that based on the primary key and foreign key. So relation we can take it's both of the data in one table. Yeah. So we need to create this one. We'll create just go this one self join. You know how to do the self join. Do you have any idea about? What about the self join?
Okay, yeah.
Self join is like we have one table only. So in that table we want to do a join. So in base of that table that call like a self join. In a self join, uh, we can get the information about the particular things you want in some like a fields, so you can get the our data. So we need to have like it's a huge amount of table. So that time we need like it's very available like it's the client requirement they have some data they want so we can collect it's very easy and huge amount of data is visible in like it's self joined so with that time you do the self operation will do it's instant the whole in table upper in the in one table they will be shown it instantly so just to write the command select there are from column name just choose any column name. Yeah, customer tables you can say. There is no requirement like a this one dot in the sales line. Yes. Uh, Customer means like we need this one customer anything prior fields. Just choose this one customer name. There is product name, na? The table. So we need to mention there. No, no. Just remove the customer. Just give the product name. And product name thereafter this one from table customer. Hmm. Their self join and they have in self join the different parameter and just write their self join customer product name from the customer self and this one self join customer table where where ID where ID is equal to what semicolon Run the code. I think it's very wrong. This is wrong. Product set joins. I think it's not work here in the SQL. This one, server, SQL Server query. This one. So I will do one thing. Show me this one order table. Run this command. Okay, now insert just write this select. It will select. Select. Now with the table name, this will order. Orders. Dot. Dot. Then this one product name. Then after just use the alias AS space AS. Hmm. Then after this one orders underscore name underscore. Give the underscore name. Yes. Name and comma. Then after you just this one customer dot, and in that table what were you given the name, the fields. uh, just give the product name, product name, then use the alias case, then give this one customer name, customer underscore name. Then from orders orders, then give this one self join. Mm. In this one customer name, customer customer, then as, no, sorry, is no, remove this one for on on, then uh, customer, wait, customer ID dot ID is equal to order order ID semicolon. Order is product name as product order. Yes. Just remove this one. Product name in between there is coming like customer name from. Um, Here you can remove this one. After that, like a from is there now. Just self join just remove. Yes, enough. Just use the control key, control Z. Let's reverse the word. Yes. Then after we'll use order cell join. It will work this one. SQL server is work command, I think. So it's very simple to command. Just write, go down side, go down, fifth line, and select column, select in customer table any column, product name. And, use the from space from table means about this one customer customer comma comma order space is use space order space where ID is equal to 1. Just if our sentence is wrong, so it will be show like here error, but it is not an error showing. So it is not a work. It is in MySQL. This is a, like a sentence will use of like this one SQL Server and Oracle. Just remove this one, the back side. Remove also operator. Just run the command. It's not running. Just this command copy and use the command line. This command. No database selected database. Just selected database. Hello. हम्म मैं क्लास देखा हूँ भाई 27,000 किसके नाम से है? ठीक है देख लूंगा मैं। ठीक। Column product name is the file list is yes. I just remove this one now where ID and give the semicolon now after that orders. We have one table is there like this one T1 T2 we have created or not. We don't have this table, so we need to create this one T1 T2 like that table, so we can it's very easy to do the self join. Give the semicolon, we'll see it is run or not. Its execution is done, so this column name it will this is okay. Just create the T1 and T2 table is there and give the three line only. Otherwise, you can give like a C1 C2. Okay, no problem. T1 name. Don't increase the column rate like it's 3 to 4 only in flow. Okay, maybe just give the semicolon right execution. Just do the copy and paste. Three. Okay. There no need to mention the table. Just remove the table. Table. Oh, this one. T1. T1. Space. Okay, just write the command, select T1 dot department name, then AS space AS, then give this one T1, then after comma T2 dot dot. Mm. Then T2, what is the department name? Same is there. Name is there, no? Just give the name. What you wrote in table. This one you wrote in table. Okay, employee name. So employee name just add, just use the ls and s space and just write there T2. Then we'll use, otherwise give the different name. Just give the this one name only, name, and just remove the this one T1 as of there. Just give the first name, F name. Hmm. Here L, just give the L name. Hmm. Space from T1, then space join T2. No, not self, join only, join T2, T1, T2. Okay. Then on, space on, then T1 dot, T1 dot ID, and just you write there ID, then T2 operator dot ID, semicolon. Okay, just one last there remove. Just write there department ID. Here department. Department. Just write just select and write execute the command. Mm, Unknown column department and name fields. In T1, we you write anything like this one ID number, department ID, anything. And last, just write the T1. T1, show me the this one T1 table. T1 table. Select star from T1. Hmm. Salary, employee name, Employee ID. Okay, this command run their command line. Use database. You are selected. That command just copy and paste here. With this command. Copy. Wow. Unknown department name list. Could you please just check the department is on T1 table. There is filled in department ID is there. So just use check select star from T1 uncall T1 department name and fill list T1. Okay, just remove this one. Department give the employee name T1. Write the command. In workbench you can go workbench. Workbench. Here you can just edit this one department name T1 department name and just write the employee name. Just check it out. Yeah, it's running. So this is called self join. We don't mention like this one self join. If you are given the join, so it will be like a, so consider the both of table. It's full join. So self join that is a method only. When self join, we need to create primary key. We don't have create a primary key, so we have one at least one primary key. So we extract the different table and different like they have ultimately we have a table. So that we will be a join self join in that particular table we want to do. You can just self join mention in the join. So it will be a this command only this one. So we are putting there before that a command that command is working in the MySQL server and Oracle. So we this one. Did you send this one learn more technology to syllabus? MySQL syllabus you do have? Yeah. While you join that time, is anyone sent to you this SQL syllabus? So that according we can go. I have this guy just to get home this one he shared me. So I have that as whatever they have in like a syllabus. I should go through that. And our topic is there. We already done this one joins. So we'll move in union. So do you have any idea in union join how to their commands, their work, and what does mean, and what does they are happening inside the if below through the join based operation? The union operation is used to combine the result set of two more than select statement. Every select statement with union must have two number same numbers of the column, and the column must have similar data type. That column is every selected statement must have also in be a same order. In the union operation, select only the distinct variable by default to allow the duplicate value and union all. So we have this scenario union and all union. So in this sentence, we will do this one practical this one. Just write select intro select column name T1 column anything just use name remove the dot T1 just remove and give the only the name employee name remove T1 remove also. Then after from uh, T1 from T1 and just use a select union select any column just choose using our department name from T2. If couldn't work, we will move a different uh, semicolon. Cells. See what is the rule there? Both selected query must have the same number of the column. The corresponding their column and must have the capable data and type. The column ordered by the match in their both query and column from the like its customer table. So Let's assume you have table and that table customer and you selected like this employee name and you the second column is the department names. In that we have the data, so it will be extract and will show in merge base like the sort of Arun, Shivam, H in finance. If you feel like it's null value, so it will won't show because there is not it's still like